Speak more, be more. Kotoba camp.
Fold.
Fold.
To bend something so one part covers another. To make compact. A crease made by folding, a bend in rock layers.
折叠，折叠，褶皱，地质褶皱。
The protein's amino acid sequence determines how it will fold into its functional three-dimensional structure. Mountain ranges often form where tectonic forces cause rock layers to fold and buckle over millions of years.
Misfolded proteins in brain cells may contribute to neurodegenerative disorders.
Understanding protein folding mechanisms is crucial for developing therapeutic strategies.
The complex folding patterns in metamorphic rocks reveal their geological history.
Folded.
Folded.
The folded membrane structure increases the surface area for cellular processes. Foldable.
Foldable. The foldable nature of these molecules enables efficient storage of genetic material.
Bend, crease, pleat, wrinkle.
弯曲、折痕、折减、皱褶。
Straighten, unfold, flatten, spread.
伸直、展开、压平、铺开。
Foolish.
Foolish.
Lacking good sense or judgment, unwise, absurd, or ridiculous.
愚蠢的、愚昧的、荒谬的、可笑的。
Attempting to cross the desert without adequate water supplies was a foolish decision that cost many lives. Early sailors made foolish attempts to determine their location by watching the patterns of seabirds.
Neglecting to wear protective gear in the laboratory would be foolish and dangerous.
Some animal species display seemingly foolish behavior during mating season.
Investing all resources in a single crop proved foolish when the drought came.
Foolishness.
Foolishness.
The foolishness of medieval medical practices became evident with modern scientific understanding. Foolishly.
Foolishly. Many civilizations foolishly depleted their natural resources.
Unwise, imprudent, irrational, senseless.
不明智的、轻率的、非理性的、无意义的。
Wise, prudent, sensible, judicious.
明智的、谨慎的、明理的、明断的。
Foul.
Foul.
Offensive to the senses, especially in smell or taste, heavily polluted. To make dirty or polluted.
污秽的、肮脏的、污染的、污染、弄脏。
The industrial waste released into the river created foul conditions that threaten aquatic life. Ancient cities often suffered from foul air due to the burning of coal and wood for heating.
The decomposition of organic matter in wetlands produces foul-smelling gases.
Marine mammals cannot survive in waters fouled by chemical pollutants.
The accumulation of waste materials created increasingly foul conditions in medieval urban areas.
Fouling.
Fouling.
Biological fouling significantly reduces the efficiency of marine equipment. Foulness.
Foulness. The foulness of the water made it unsuitable for any agricultural use.
Putrid, contaminated, polluted, noxious.
腐烂的、受污染的、污浊的、有害的。
Clean, pure, fresh, unspoiled.
前进的、纯净的、新鲜的、未受污染的。
Furious.
Furious.
Extremely angry. Characterized by intense force, speed, or energy.
极度愤怒的、强烈的、激烈的。
The chemical reaction was so furious that it caused the solution to bubble violently and release intense heat. The tectonic plate collision created furious volcanic activity throughout the region.
The debate between the two scholars became increasingly furious as they defended their opposing theories.
The student was furious when she discovered that her laboratory samples had been contaminated.
The wind was furious during the tropical storm, making it impossible to conduct the field research.
Fury.
Fury.
The fury of the volcanic eruption exceeded all previous geological records. Furiously.
Furiously. The scientist worked furiously to complete the time-sensitive experiment.
Enrage, irate, violent, intense.
暴怒的、愤怒的、猛烈的、强烈的。
Calm, gentle, mild, peaceful.
平静的、温和的、温顺的、和平的。
Furry.
Furry.
Covered with or having fur, resembling fur.
毛茸茸的，像毛皮的。
The mole, a small furry mammal, has developed specialized front feet with large claws as an adaptation to its underground habitat. Arctic mammals maintain thick furry coats that change color seasonally for camouflage and insulation.
Small furry rodents have evolved various mechanisms to detect and escape from predators.
The preservation of furry mammal fossils provides crucial evidence about ancient climatic conditions.
Many furry animals in temperate regions undergo significant physiological changes during winter months.
Fur.
Fur.
The thick fur of polar bears contains hollow hair shafts that trap air for insulation. Furred.
Furred. The furred mammals of the tundra have developed specialized adaptations for extreme cold.
Hairy, fluffy, downy, woolly.
多毛的、蓬松的、绒毛的、羊毛的。
Bare, hairless, smooth, sleek.
光秃的、无毛的、光滑的、顺滑的。
Gap.
Gap.
A space or interval between two things, a difference or disparity between two things. To create or have a space between things.
空隙、差距、间隔、分开。
Ancient limestone deposits revealed a 2-million-year gap in Earth's fossil record. Distinct pottery styles across neighboring valleys indicated significant cultural gaps among prehistoric communities.
Deep canyons and mountain ranges created natural gaps in early human settlement patterns.
Volcanic activity left visible gaps in the Arctic ice core samples.
Language barriers created substantial gaps in cross-cultural trade networks.
Gaping.
Gaping.
Massive gaping crevices mark the glacier's steady retreat. Bridgeable.
Bridgeable.
Stone tools found on both sides of the strait suggested the water gap was bridgeable. Disparity, void, breach, interval.
差异、空白、缺口、间隔。
Continuity, connection, unity, bond.
连续性、连接、统一、联系。
Garbage.
Garbage.
Waste material. Worthless or meaningless matter.
垃圾、废物、无价值、无意义。
Marine animals often mistake floating garbage for food, leading to devastating consequences for ocean ecosystems. Ancient civilizations created massive garbage deposits that now serve as valuable archaeological sites.
Microorganisms in soil naturally break down organic garbage into nutrient-rich compounds.
Urban development must include efficient garbage collection systems to prevent public health issues.
Innovative solutions for garbage disposal could transform waste materials into renewable energy sources.
Garbage man.
Garbage man.
Municipal garbage men maintain strict schedules to keep city streets clean and hygienic. Garbage free.
Garbage free. The coastal community implemented garbage-free zones to protect marine life.
Waste, refuse, trash, rubbish.
废物、垃圾、杂物、废弃物。
Resource, treasure, value, asset.
资源、宝藏、价值、资产。
Gasoline.
Gasoline.
A refined petroleum product used as fuel for internal combustion engines.
汽油、汽油燃料。
The rising cost of gasoline has prompted many commuters to seek alternative forms of transportation. The depletion of fossil fuels like gasoline has spurred research into renewable energy sources.
The combustion of gasoline in vehicles contributes significantly to urban air pollution.
The efficiency of gasoline engines has improved dramatically over the past century.
The introduction of unleaded gasoline marked a significant milestone in environmental protection.
Gassy.
Gassy.
The chemical reaction produced gassy emissions, that required proper ventilation. Gas.
Gas. The laboratory monitored gas levels to ensure safety during the experiment.
Petroleum, fuel, propellant, combustible.
石油、燃料、推进剂、可燃物。
Electricity, solar power, wind energy, hydropower.
电力、太阳能、风能、水力发电。
Gear.
Gear.
Equipment or tools used for a specific purpose. To prepare or adapt something for a particular purpose.
装备、工具、调整、使适应。
Few fisheries employ gear that can catch one species to the exclusion of all others. Ancient civilizations developed sophisticated irrigation gear to control water flow in arid regions.
Marine biologists must carefully select their diving gear for deep water exploration.
Local communities geared their agricultural practices to match seasonal rainfall patterns.
Traditional weavers maintain their centuries-old gear to preserve authentic textile techniques.
Gearing.
Gearing.
The mechanical gearing system converts rotational force into linear motion. Geared.
Geared. The laboratory is geared for advanced molecular analysis.
Equipment, apparatus, tools, machinery.
设备、仪器、工具、机械。
Unprepared, unequipped, unsuited, inappropriate.
未准备好的、未装备的、不适合的、不恰当的。
Giant.
Giant.
Something or someone of unusually great size. Extraordinarily large or powerful.
巨人、巨物、巨大的、庞大的。
The giant sequoia trees in California's Sierra Nevada mountains can live for more than 3,000 years. The discovery of giant impact craters provides evidence of ancient meteorite collisions with Earth.
The formation of giant gas planets like Jupiter involved the accumulation of vast amounts of cosmic material.
The giant molecular clouds in space serve as nurseries where new stars are born.
The giant underwater canyons play a crucial role in ocean current circulation patterns.
Gigantic.
Gigantic.
The gigantic volcanic eruptions altered Earth's climate for several years. Giantess.
Giantess. Ancient civilizations created myths about giantesses who shaped the landscape.
Enormous, massive, colossal, tremendous.
巨大的、庞大的、庞然的、惊人的。
Tiny, miniature, small, diminutive.
微小的、微型的、小的、矮小的。
Well done. Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
You can never understand one language until you understand at least two.